of aldehydes and ketones. See, and ozonolysis of alkenes, formation of the alkynes, formation of the aldehydes and ketones is discussed. Now, that is from alkynes. The fourth method is from alkynes. Preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alkynes. See, this is alkynes hydration. Hydration of alkynes. See, in this method, see, alkynes are treated with the dilute H2SO4. It has to be treated with the water in the presence of the acid, like alkenes. But the reactivity of the alkynes is very less. The mercuric sulfate is taken as the catalyst. So here the reagent used is, that is dilute H2SO4. So it contains the water plus HgSO4. Here H plus ion, Hg2 plus ion both act as catalysts and water is added. Once that is the water is added on alkyne, addition of water on alkyne, this is H2 indirectly HOH. This is leads to the formation of the enol, double bond COH, or enol is unstable, it automerizes to give the carbonyl compound. 1,3 shift of hydrogen leads to the formation of CH2, C double bond OR. This is the ketone is formed. So only acetylene gives the aldehyde, all other gives the ketones only. This is the disadvantage of. So what is the statement? When alkyne is treated with the dilute H2SO4 in the presence of HgSO4, addition of a molecule of water takes place and ketone is produced. Only acetylene gives the aldehyde. So this is a convenient method for the preparation of the ketones. So for example, if you take the acetylene for this reaction, this is dilute H2SO4 plus HgSO4, that is CH3, C double bond OH, acetaldehyde is formed. This gives the acetaldehyde. See, if you take the propyne, see, addition of the water takes place during this process according to the Markovnikov's rule. CH3, COH, double bond CH2, this tautomerizes to give the, that is acetone, dimethyl ketone. So let me take the CH3, CH2, C triple bond C, that is H. 1-butyne, I have taken the 1-butyne. On this addition of water according to the Markovnikov's rule, that is and OH, double bond CH2. This is converted into the CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3, tautomerization, just methyl ketone is formed. If you take the, that is 2-butyne, same thing, symmetrical, addition of water leads to the formation of CH3, CH, double bond C, OH, CH3, anyway that leads to the formation of this. 1-butane as well as the 2-butane gives the same product. If I take the phenylacetylene, this is the phenyl group, this is the acetylene. This on treatment with the same, under same conditions, addition of water and followed by tautomerization gives the acetophenone, phenyl, methyl, phenyl ketone. If I take the this, there is a possibility of formation of the two. So the addition of water takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule. This here OH is added because the carbocation of this is corresponding relatively more stable. this leads to the formation of this ethyl methyl ketone. So this is the methods of preparation of the only ketones. Starting from the alkynes, we can prepare the ketones. See here one thing. Ketone is formed, no doubt. But how to prepare the aldehyde? There is no procedure at all. Only acetylene gives the aldehyde. So to prepare the aldehyde, the other technique is, instead of the hydration is carried. That is, first one is this procedure. The second one is the hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation. This also adds the water according through the carbon-carbon triple bond, but against to the Markovnikov group. That leads to the formation of the aldehyde if the alkyne is terminal alkyne. So this is in this method, alkyne is treated with the first B2H6, which is nothing but the CH3, CH, double bond, CH, BH2, 2 more, it adds on 2 more this thing. So this is formed. Here hydrogen is added, here BH2 is added. So addition takes place according to the overall against the Markovnikov group. This is, now it is treated with the alkaline hydrogen peroxide. I told you this, there are 2 more hydrogens, it reacts with the 2 more the alkynes. Phenyl borane is formed. This is oxidation. This is removed and OH is added. Your alcohol is this. This looks like, that is addition of the water from here to here. Addition of the water against to the Markovnikov rule. H is added to this, OH is added to this. This on tautomerization gives that is CH2, C double bond OH, propanaldehyde is formed. So suppose if you take the phenylacetylene, this is 1, treat with the B2H6, 2, treat with the alkaline hydrogen peroxide. So this gives the CH2, CHO aldehyde. Here the addition takes place, BH3 is added. Here this is formed, double bond CH, B, this is taken thrice. So this is that treatment with the alkaline hydrogen peroxide. This is converted into the CH2, CH double bond CH OH. This tautomerizes to give that is aldehyde. From terminal alkyne, there is a procedure to prepare the aldehyde. Starting from the alkynes, we can prepare the aldehydes and ketones. By treating with the dilute H2SO4 and HgSO4, ketones can be prepared. By treating with that is B2H6 diborane followed by oxidation, hydroboration oxidation method, we can prepare that is aldehydes from terminal ketones, terminal alkynes. From terminal alkynes, not from all alkynes. So this is the preparatory procedure of aldehydes and ketones starting from alkynes. From alkenes we can prepare the, and next is the from cyanides, from nitriles. That is RC triple bond N. There are 2-3 procedures to prepare the aldehydes and ketones from the nitriles. 1. By using the Grignard reagent. One is the Grignard's method. The second one is the Stefan's reduction. On cyanides. Third one is Duvall-H. Duvall-H. Cyanides and reduction with the Duvall-H, aldehydes are produced. This is the procedure, the different procedures. The first one, so by using the Grignard reagent. So in this method, it is very convenient for the preparation of the ketones rather than aldehydes. So in this method, this is the Grignard reagent RMGBr. It is a source for the nucleophile alkyl carbanion, nucleophile base. This is the and treated with that is cyanide R prime C triple bond N. This is the R prime. So this is negative charge, this is positive charge because of the electronegativity difference. This attacks on cyanide carbon, nitrile carbon. This part adds to this one. Due to this, what happens? R prime C double bond N MgBr is formed. So forgotten to write the what R. Grignard reagent from this is from Grignard reagent carbon. This is added to this. This is the cyanide carbon. This is the cyanide nitrogen. This is star. This is star. Now imine is formed. This on hydrolysis. First it produces the R prime C double bond NH. Imine is formed. This is imine on this. So this is the negative charged part, this is positively charged part, HOH, addition of water. So if you carry out the acid workup, then what happens? So I am taking them in two steps, and that is OH is added here, R prime, C, R, this is the OH is added here, this is hydrogen is added here, NH2 and this is the cyanide carbon, this is this. So this on this is reverse polarization, this is going out in the form of ammonia, this is RC double bond O, R prime, ketone is formed, ammonia is liberated. So this is the Grignard reaction on cyanides, preparation of the that is ketones. See, methyl cyanide, ethyl nitride plus that is ethyl magnesium bromide. This is the negative charge. This attacks on this. The remaining part is added to this because positive and negative CH3 C ET double bond N MgBr is the addition product. This on hydrolysis, you know the mechanism of the reaction. ET, that is C double bond O Me. I have shown the mechanism how the imine is converting into this one. So that is followed by this one. Ethyl methyl ketone. Methyl cyanide to ethyl methyl ketone is prepared. If you have the phenyl cyanide, benzonitride, if you treat with the methyl magnesium bromide, so the first product is the MgBr, this is methyl, this on hydrolysis gives the phenyl methyl ketone acetophenone. Acetophenone is formed. You can prepare anything, that is and take the cyanide and treat with this one. And this is the one procedure. So how to prepare the aldehydes? To prepare the aldehydes by Grignard's method, you have to use the HCl, hydrogen cyanide to be used. This on treatment with the methyl magnesium bromide, this is HCMe double bond NH MgBr, this H is not there, this is and this on hydrolysis acid workup, that is methyl CH, this is and double bond NH. This on addition of water, OH on this, H on this gives that is methyl CH OH. This is NH2. This gives that is Me, that is C double bond OH. Ammonia is liberated, aldehyde is produced. Suppose if you take the phenyl magnesium bromide and treat with the HCN, the first product is the C, this H, double bond NH, NMGBr. This on hydrolysis gives the PHCH, double bond O. Double bond. This is the preparatory procedure of the aldehydes and ketones from nitriles by treating with the Grignard reagent. And Stephen's reduction is the another method of decomposition of that is cyanides into that is aldehydes. See, in this method, SnCl2, stannous chloride and concentrated HCl mixture is used. This is converted into the SnCl4 2 minus plus, that is the 2H plus ion. This gives the SnCl4 plus 2 electrons. It is stannous ion is oxidized to stannic ion and is provided the electrons. So that is and the reduction. This SnCl2 is a reducing agent. So take the RC triple bond N, treat with the SnCl2 plus concentrated HCl. This is converted into the RCH double bond NH. 2 plus Cl minus. This on hydrolysis gives RCOH. This is NH3. This is coming back. This is NH2 coming back. RC double bond OH is there. And double bond OH, aldehyde is produced, and ammonia in the acid medium ammonium chloride is produced. So that is the cyanide preparation. The aldehyde preparation, methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile on treatment with the SnCl2 plus HCl followed by acidification gives that is acetaldehyde. So benzonitrile, benzyl cyanide on reaction gives the benzaldehyde. Use the benzaldehyde. So that is the one way of Stephen's reduction. Directly you can convert the cyanides into aldehydes. The third one is the cyanides on treatment with the Debol H, that is isobutyl aluminium, isobutyl diisobutyl aluminium hydride, trivalent hydrogen, only sextet is completed. This is a reagent like lithium aluminum hydride, but it's a mild or reducing agent. The reaction to be carried at the minus 78 degrees Celsius. At higher temperature, it is equivalent to the lithium aluminum hydride. Room temperature or higher temperature equal to the lithium aluminum hydride. So Debol H, cyanide should be treated with the that is Dibol H. This hydride ion is transferred to this, that is 1 Debol H followed by hydrolysis. That gives the carbon is converted to the aldehyde. So this is the case. So methyl cyanide gives the acetaldehyde. Debol H. So this is minus 78 degrees Celsius, low temperature conditions. Ethyl cyanide gives the propanaldehyde. So this is benzonitrile or cyanobenzene. Only aldehydes, Dvol H gives the, followed by hydrolysis, gives the benzaldehyde. This also Stefan's reduction, SnCl2 plus HCl gives the, this is the benzaldehyde. So this is action of the Stefan's reduction, reducing agent and Dvol H is same on the, that is nitrite, both are producing the aldehydes. These are the, that is the preparatory procedures of the aldehydes and ketones starting from the nitriles.